tell us about the devotion-centered personalities and how to deal with them?
Welcome back. Thanks to all our subscribers and viewers. Today I am going to talk about devotion-centered personality. Life has 8 stages, diaper to diaper. People are 5 different types. How to prolong middle age, we discussed already. Devotion-centered personality are interested in spending time in devotion, pray or puja.
What is devotion? Who is devotee and what kind of devotion?
If you feel loyal and loving towards someone or God, that is devotion. There are 2 types of devotees. One is devotees of God Almighty. 2. Human to human devotees. God-centered means putting God first and allowing all activities in life. Serving to humankind is serving to God. There are 3 types of devotees. 1. Pray or puja is done for moksham, liberation from this life and rebirth. 2. Praying for requirements, conditional. 3. Human to human devotees, God-like doctor and patient relations. And core lovers. Example, mother and child. In Sanskrit, they say Matru Devo Bhava, which means the mother is like God. Sri, there is no other species other than human beings has this system on planet Earth. Particularly cats and dogs are pets to humans. Sometimes dogs are devoted to their owner, but their mandible is not designed for talking. Other species on the planet, they have their own communication, but it is only for their own survival. Because of human mandible and talking power, they can express their devotion by praying, doing puja, or being in meditative state by addressing to their respective almighties or gurus. For example, as per Hindu mythology, it is believed that there are 7 lives for each soul. In the 7th life, the soul takes a human form where it has a chance to attain moksham, meaning liberation by following certain practices like puja or praying, etc. By leaving this physical body and get liberated. It is like your laptop or a notebook, computer. It has 3 stages. One is sleep mode, 2nd hibernation, 3rd shutdown. So coming to the prayer, for example, if one particular plant, tree or a leaf is used to cure corona patients by giving a new life, people start protecting that plant for saving lives and express gratitude towards it. And maybe people will start praying to that plant. Showing devotion to plants and trees is no surprise, as they offer free oxygen to all, which is very expensive if you went to buy, as it costs around $150 to $100 per day. Similarly, a star like sun also offers a lot to us. Without sunlight, it is very difficult to live on this earth. If we buy vitamin D tablets, it will cost $50 per month, and without sunlight, there would be no photosynthesis for plants and hence no oxygen to sustain life on this earth. The sun is a star for Milky Way galaxy, and Earth is one of the planets having life on it. Just like when somebody offers a cup of coffee, we say thanks to them. Similarly, there is nothing wrong in showing gratitude towards the sun or plants. Sri, generally people show their devotion towards 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air and space. 60% of our body is water. Fire is our body temperature, which is maintained 37 degrees of centigrade. Air represents the oxygen we breathe, and space represents where we are living with atmospheric pressure. In the space of the Milky Way galaxy, our Earth rotates at 1625 kilometers per hour, 1625 kilometers per hour. A flight can travel with a speed of 900 kilometers per hour. Most of the roads only allow vehicles to go to at speed of 120 kilometers to 140 kilometers per hour. Sri, devotion to human beings. For example, as doctors serve their fellow humans, we believe doctors are representative of God, and God will never come to us in the form you pray to Him. He will come to you as a guest. In Sanskrit, they say Atithi Devo Bhava, means the guest is like God.
What happens to the biochemical activity in their body while doing puja or prayer?
As we discussed, our body is a biochemical factory. It maintains happy movements by balancing serotonin, endorphins by activities like puja, socializing at temples, and by serving the needy. They maintain happy moments.
Is it like adrenaline is released when you see a tiger and save life?
Sri, yes, the human body is a biochemical factory. As the situation demands, the brain sends instruction to secrete and produce required biochemicals to the necessary glands.
Being a system student, can you teach Nitya Puja Vidhanam to our viewers so that they can do puja without stress and with confidence?
Sri, yes, we can do that on the same channel. We can teach them basics of Nitya Puja Vidhanam. We will explain how to perform this daily puja. Nitya Puja, as I have seen many people before they go out or go to work, they usually have a shower and then they pray God, but they don't know exactly what to do. In Hinduism, they conduct puja with some activities. Those are 16 steps. It is like when you invite a VIP guest. We clean our home properly and the lighting system is good or not, we will check. Then we call them. Nowadays, we are giving them sanitizers also. So on. The same way, 16 steps done, then puja conducted.
People say most of the devotion-centered people are followers. Is it true?
Sri, we can't generalize anything. Every individual is different. Like when people are traveling, some people they like window seat and some like an aisle seat. I always like window seat. When it comes to devotion, we will see devotees and followers. Thanks to Almighty. Thanks to my parents that they have given me this life. This life to see this beautiful heavenly planet, Earth having beautiful trees and flowers, many kinds of species on earth, underwater, and man-made creations like beautiful cities, tasty food, arts and culture, and technology.
Please feel free to contact the given below WhatsApp number for future guidance for any generous donations. Sir, shall we discuss about the feelings of human beings?
Sri, when it comes to feelings like anxiety, anger, depression, we will discuss in the next session.